Randy with Michelin here at Rocky Mountain headquarters to tell you about the Michelin Bib Mousse. What is a Michelin Bib Mousse? I'm so glad you asked. Michelin Bib Mousse is Michelin's off-road solution to tire punctures. It's a great invention in the off-road segment. The Michelin Bib Mousse eliminates the risk of a tire puncture, contributing to an unmatched record of victories in rally, enduro, and motocross since its creation in 1983. How does it work? Michelin Bib Mousse is not a puncture-proof inner tube. It's an innovative foam-based technology that is inserted between the tire and the rim instead of a classic inner tube. Because of its foam composition, it simply can't go flat. It's lighter than a reinforced inner tube and provides a pressure equivalent of 13 psi. With Michelin Bib Mousse, you can enjoy your off-road rides without worrying about tire punctures. What are the benefits? Excellent longevity. The Michelin Bib Mousse with Michelin Bib Mousse Gel is developed to fit perfectly inside Michelin off-road tires for excellent longevity and robustness. Optimized grip and handling. The Michelin Bib Mousse is designed to enhance the performance of Michelin off-road tires for grip and handling. The Michelin Bib Mousse inserts are now available in specific versions for enduro and hard enduro applications. The S front and rear versions are softer composition, provide a lower pressure equivalent of approximately 10 psi when used with the Michelin Enduro tire range to provide a larger contact patch. The X rear version is an ultra soft composition designed to work with the Michelin Enduro Extreme rear tire and provides the pressure equivalent of approximately 6 psi, which provides optimum traction in extreme and hard enduro applications. And if you don't believe me, just ask my buddy Billy Bolt, the multi-time FIM hard enduro and super enduro world champion. When you purchase a Michelin Bib Mousse, you'll receive 3 things inside the Michelin Bib Mousse box: the Bib Mousse itself, as well as the Michelin Bib Mousse Gel and Bib Mousse installation instructions. Another key thing to check when you receive the Bib Mousse is this date on the outside of the box. That is the date to be fitted before. As long as this date has not passed, your Michelin Bib Mousse is fully capable of providing the optimum performance installed in your Michelin off-road motorcycle tires. So make sure to check Rocky Mountain ATV MC for your Michelin motorcycle tire needs.